in UP over allegations which, turned out to be true kasi nga kumampanya siya na paalisin si Romualdez sa pagka-speaker. Bagito ka tapos gusto mo agad maging House Speaker ka.
But me, I'm a very open person. I'm telling this now. I'm going to take Speaker Romualdez's speakership, and I hope Majority Leader Sandro Marcos won't hold it against me or won't stand in my way. Thank you, everyone. Wait lang, medyo kinakabahan pa ako. Okay, game.
After then, and a few social media posts later, House Deputy Speaker Reynaldo Puno filed a complaint, an ethical complaint over potentially inciting violence at even sedition made by our Congress Meow, Kiko Barsaga. Kasi nga sinabi niya sa Facebook page niya, pwede bang magdala ng airsoft gun ang mga rallyista dahil lugi naman sa mga polis na may dalang tear gas, tunay na baril at riot shield sa kinakasang protesta sa Luneta at EDSA and even Mendiola noong September 21. Which is, tame. Kumbaga, wise pa nga yung pagsabi niya na airsoft at hindi tunay na baril ang idala. Pero that's besides the point. Talagang parang snowflake ba ang mga nasa Kongreso? He also alluded to na kung susunugin man ang batasang pamansa kung saan nakalagay ang Kongreso and congressmen, senators, bigyan sana sila ng oras para ma-evacuate ang mga workers at mga importanteng dokumento, expressively omitting the congressman. He also sarcastically posted na huwag niyo sunugin yung House of Representatives dahil may privileged speech pa ako sa Lunes. But it's funny. I'm not a fan of his, unserious demeanor, pero that's funny and I don't think that's really inciting violence. He didn't call for we're gonna march down to the Capitol and we're gonna big beautiful march and he's not wrong.
Now it is up to Congress to confront this egregious assault on our democracy. And after this, we're going to walk down, and I'll be there with you. We're going to walk down. We're going to walk down anyone you want, but I think right here, we're going to walk down to the Capitol. And we're going to cheer on our brave senators and congressmen and women. And we're probably not going to be cheering so much for some of them. Because you'll never take back our country with weakness. You have to show strength and you have to